Example problem 4 reads, a paramedic is pushing down on a patient's chest while performing chest compressions during CPR. The paramedic exerts a force of 0.43 newtons on the patient's chest with each chest compression. The area of the patient's chest is 0.2 meters squared. How much pressure is the paramedic exerting on the patient's chest for each compression? So the formula that we're going to be using, again, is pressure equals force divided by area. We always first identify what the problem has given us. So the problem's told us that we have a force of 0.43 newtons. The problem has also told us that we have an area of 0.2 meters squared. And then we try to figure out what the problem is asking us for. So it's asking us for pressure. Luckily, we have a formula that we don't need to rearrange at this point, so we can just plug in what we know. Pressure equals force of 0.43 newtons divided by area, which is 0.2 meters squared. And you can go ahead and put it into your calculator just like that. 0.43 divided by 0.2, and that equals 2.15 pascals. Let me know if you have any questions with example problem 4.